Hello YouTube, how you guys doing? I'm very sure you have missed this phase, especially I do come up live every week to document my journey and to help you guys become profitable forex trader. And it's been a while you've seen me appear on your screen, but no problem, I'm back, I'm better, right? And guess what? Right now I'll be dropping more quality content videos that can help you scale up faster, especially in this Q4 session of trading, right? Basically, I've been around the background doing a lot of work, all right, on the system, trying to cook something good for you. So that by the time I show up, it's going to be back-to-back content, high quality content for you guys, all right? Now, I want to talk about something that has caught my attention over the weekend, and I discovered that a lot of forex traders are really struggling in the market. And that's the reason for this particular topic, right? Which is how do you develop a good trading system? Now, have you ever seen a forex trader or a profitable forex trader who doesn't have a system? Now, when I talk about a system, systems mean those aligning factors that you need to have in order to get to point A and to point B. So let's take, for instance, a car. A car is wired to follow a system, right? Now, if I want to drive a car today right now, if I go and deflate the tire, will it work? No, it won't move. It may even start, but it will not work. If I didn't put my key or I didn't press the start button, it will not work. If I drain the oil, remove the electrical working system in the car, do you think the car will work? No. So that means even in an organization that you work, every organization have their own working system, right? You have the time you clock in, you have the time you resume, you close. You also have the time that is scheduled for you to go on your off or your break, right? So, but right now as a forex trader, what makes you feel without building a system around the trading that you become profitable? Now, the market is wired not to even make you money. The market is wired to take money from you. Even the institution, the banks, they know when you are funding your account. Because right now, I'm currently filming this video at the end of the month. So a lot of forex traders now will be collecting the salary or getting paid. They'll be funding their account. So now they will want to throw risk management off the corner. But that is not what you want to do. You want to become a disciplined trader. So how do you build a system? And a system is something that is raised and repeatable, right? You should have a system that you follow every day from step 1 to step 2 to step 3 to step 4, right? Now, if you don't have that system, you're going to suffer in the market. The market is inanimate. It does not know whether you are a male or a female. The market does not even know whether you are a beginner trader or you've been in the market for like 5 to 20 years. I've seen a trader who has been struggling for 8 years in the market, all because he does not have a well-defined trading system. So in this video, I'll be walking you through the system that I've created over time and that has made me tons of money in the market. And I've been able to replicate this system to my students, and they too have been able to get good results in the market. Number one, a good system should have clarity, which means a goal, right? As a forex trader, when you come into your chart, you want to have a daily goal, just like as a business person or somebody who will do 9 to 5. There's a list called to-do list, right? On your to-do list, you have what you need to do as number one, number two tasks, number three tasks. As a forex trader, you should have those clarity. Now, if your account size is for $500, number one, what type of account size do you trade? Number two, what type of trade you want to take? Number three, these are part of the clarity you need to have. Number three, how many instruments will you be trading? Some people don't even know what they are trading. Number four, you want to backtest those instruments that has given you more profit before you not take it on the new account. Let's say you have a new profit account and you want to start trading. You don't just start trading the profit account. You're supposed to look at those basket of instruments you've been trading. Let's say you've been trading 5 pairs, right? You want to see out of these 5 currency pair or instruments, which one has given you the money the most, right? Now, this is the one you want to focus. Then number two, you want to focus on a high plus setup. You want to prioritize quality over quantity. So these are part of your clarity. I don't want the video to be so long because I'll be going straight into the point. Now, the number two thing you want to work out for, apart from clarity, is time frame. Now, people do not understand that time frame determines what you'll be doing in the market. I'm going to be showing you my chart right now to see the particular trade I'm currently on, which is currently in profit. Why? Because I understand the power of time frames. Yesterday, I was live on TikTok and I told them gold to be buying. Everybody was saying that gold is selling, gold is bearish. I understand, but the overall market structure is telling me that gold is still bullish. But the main current trend is saying bearish. Now, people don't understand that there are times that market will correspond from a sell trend to an uptrend. Now, until you understand how to spot a trend reversal, until you know when the particular trend is about to correspond to the main trend, you will not become profitable in the forex market. I saw my conferences. I left the 15-minute time frame. I went to 4-hour time frame to show them why am I looking for a buy on a sell trend on gold. And currently, gold has done over 1,000 pips buying. Why? Because of what I'm telling you right now. So higher time frames is the key. If you have been taking wrong trades, it's because of you don't understand the power of the daily time frame or the 4-hour time frame. So right now, go to your chart. Look at the daily time frame. What is it telling you? If the daily time frame is not clear, go to the weekly time frame. Now, if those time frame is telling you buy, what you want to look for on the 15 minutes time frame is a buying opportunity. Now, sometimes you may be seeing a buy trend or a sell trend on the higher time frame. And when you come to the 15-minute time frame, which is your entry time frame, you'll be seeing an otherwise. But that does not make you go with that, except if you want to counter trade. So if the higher time frame is telling me that it's a buy trend, I want to come and take that buy trade on the 15 minutes time frame. Most times you will see a buy on the daily or 4 hour. When you get to the 15 minutes, you'll be seeing a sell. That does not mean you should go and sell. It shows that there's a correction or a pullback on the higher time frame. You wait for that sell trend to correct itself back to buy. Then you enter for buy. That was what I noticed on gold. And I told them gold is finished selling. Now you want to start buying. Today night it has done over 1,000 pips. So work on a higher time frame. So this will help you develop a good trading strategy. Now, number one, I said clarity of purpose. Then number two, higher time frames. And the last but not the least is what? One strategy. Don't think strategy does not work. There is no holy grail strategy in the market, right? Now, for the past few days, I've been backtesting gold. I had to look at gold from 2021 when Donald Trump first emerged as president in his first term that he did one tenor. I had to backtest that tenor down to 2025 to see what's different. And I discovered a whole lot of different. So as a trader, I want to focus on one strategy. It could be that the reason why you're taking stop losses or losses is because your strategy has changed. Probably your strategy no longer work on 15 minutes time frame. You want to step up to higher time frame. It could also be that you need to fine tune your strategy. Strategy are not holy grail, right? Every strategy has a what? Has a procedure that they follow, have a system that they follow. So let's take for instance, you're an ICT trader. An ICT order block trading has its own systematic approach. Why? Because you want to look for the origin. If a market should break a particular level, like a BOS, you want the market to come back to what a fair value gap or an order block before you get into a trade. So if you don't understand this procedure, you will not always make profit in the market. Let's say you're a breakout and retest trader. You need to wait for a candlestick to break, or not on the 15-minute time frame, on the 1 hour or 4 hour time frame. Then you come to the 15-minute time frame and look for two things, either chart pattern or what a candlestick formation. All these I have inside this particular YouTube channel. You may want to go to my playlist and get to see that video for more proper explanation. These are the way you can avoid market manipulation and be among those one top forex trader who are making it big in the forex market. So thinking that your strategy is not working is not it. Your strategy works. You just need to what? Refine it and find a way to modernize it to suit the current present market condition because the market has really changed. All right. So it doesn't mean your breakout or retest strategy or your dog button does not work. They all work, but a lot of things has changed. So you need to work on yourself and identify when your strategy is no longer working and find a way to fine tune it to suit the current market condition. I'll be stopping for now because there's a whole lot of things that I've aligned for you, but I'll be dropping them as time goes on. Make sure you're following to this channel. But one more thing before I let you go, I'll be showing my screen to let you know why I'm bearish on BTC USD. All right, guys, this is the chart on BTC USD. Currently, we are doing a challenge, $10 to 10K challenge on the VIP Telegram community. If you want to be part of the challenge, hit me. The link to do that is inside the video description below. Be part of this challenge. You'll be doing $10 to 10K from now to December so that you can go and flex with Forex money, right? Now, why am I bearish on BTC USD? If you come to the daily time frame, you will discover that the market has been bearish for like 4 days right now. And on the daily time frame, you discover that price have been failing to break above this particular high, right? So price got here, it was not able to break above for like 2 good days. So it's a sign that price could potentially drop down. But I didn't just go in for that sell because I needed to see some confirmation. So I came to the what 4 hour time frame to get what a confirmation. Like I said, you need a higher time frame to confirm to you whether to buy or sell. All right. So right now on the 4 hour time frame, I could discover that we have a double top. Right. This is first touch and second touch. So price created what an M pattern for me. What I need to just wait for is the neckline to get disrespected, then I go in for a what? A sell. So what happened here? I discovered that we have a previous high that was here. Price had to take out this high, right? So when price got back into this particular level, what happened? Price broke it. Upon the retest was where we enter for a sell. And we're waiting for the market to sell up onto this particular zone here, right? And this is very simple. If you come to the higher time frame, that's when you'll be able to see all these things clearly. So once I was able to identify all this, I just have to go to the lower time frame, which is 15 minutes time frame, to look for my what? My entry. You can see this is 1 hour time frame rather. So price broke this particular neckline, came back to retest it, we enter for a what? A sell here. And I took my sell on the 15 minutes time frame. All right. So let me show you how I was able to take my sell on 15 minute time frame. You can see that price got here and start forming a block here, right? And upon that, we now have a breakout candle, which is what? This bearish engulfing candle. It was where we got in and price, pushed downward. So price is expected to come down that TP. All right. Once we hit this TP and price is able to break below this particular level of support, I expect the price to come down to this level because we are working on a higher time frame. So if price is able to take out this low, right? So that means price is coming here. This particular thing you see here is called liquidity, which is that trend line liquidity. I've also explained to you guys about trend line liquidity. It's there in my video. Go and check that out. But because of these videos getting so long, I don't want it to be that long. So make sure you're following and subscribe to this channel. I'll be seeing you in my next other video. Thank you and stay blessed.